educators, welcome back to the ViewBoard options. My name is Shahrukh. So we're continuing the immersive reader option that we were doing last time. In this option, now if you see here, you've put a paragraph about animal kingdom. Now click on reading preferences. See the language that you want to convert it into. Right now I want to convert this into Hindi. Just choose by document, and then you can also select your speed as to how you want the speed to be, in case you want male or female version, and then play.
कीगरन एनिमेलिया के सदस्यों को कुछ पहचान योग्य विशेषताओं के आधार पर विभिन्न फाइला, वर्ग, क्रम, परिवार और जीनस में वर्गीकृत किया गया है। जानवरों के वर्गीकरण के सबसे मौलिक रूपों में से एक नोटोकॉर्ड की उपस्थिति या अनुपस्थिति है।
Which means at any point of time, in case if you want to understand the pronunciation and if you want to understand the English too,
then R.
You will be able to do that using my ViewBoard. So Immersive Reader is one-stop solution for all the language problems that you have in the My ViewBoard option. Thank you so much.